Hello, welcome to Red Dragon Laser. Today I want to talk about our 4040 machine. This is the baby of the range, but it's still a full professional laser engraving and cutting machine. The size of the machine is 90 centimetres wide by 80 centimetres deep. But on top of that 80 centimetres, you will need to allow for the air extraction coming out of the back. So in realistic terms, leave 1 metre by 1 metre. That will give you a good airflow all the way around, and you'll be fine with that. Here at the back of the machine, we have the cover for the laser tube, which has got 2 security keys. Lifts up. It's got its own proximity, which will cut off the laser if the lid is lifted. The laser runs from left to right. It is a 50-watt laser, and here we have the first mirror, so the beam comes along here and into the main body of the machine. Also on the back of the machine, we have the air extraction vent, we have the water supply and return pipes, and we have the air assist. The main power switch is located here, and the power outlets for the various accessories are located there. There is an independent earth supply and the mains 240 volt into there. Okay, so now let's have a look inside the machine where all the work is done. The lid has its own polycarbonate screen, and here we have another proximity switch so that when the lid is lifted, the power to the laser itself is cut off. Inside the machine, this is where the laser beam comes in, goes to a mirror there, bounces off, goes across to a mirror there, down through a focusing lens and out at the bottom, and that's where all the action takes place. We have a linear rail going across, and we have stepper motors here and here, which precisely control the movement of the head. The work itself rests on a honeycomb bed, or that can be removed both for cleaning and for usage, and replaced with blades that go across, and the material rests on there. Those will give you a much cleaner cut, whereas the honeycomb is much better for engraving. So best of both worlds. When operating the machine, the bed is raised and lowered by the 2 switches here, which brings the material into focus, your emergency cut-off switch, and a power switch there, which will take the power away from the electric lift. At the front, key control controls power to the laser tube, and the indicator light shows you whether power is on or off. We have the main controller here, which controls all of the functions of the laser. Down here we have the USB ports for both the connection to the laptop or desktop computer and for a USB memory stick. Every machine from Red Dragon Laser comes complete with all of the bits that you need, from the water pump, the air assist, extraction pipe, USB cable, power cable, RJ45 lead, cleaning, double-sided tape, even a coffee mug to keep you going. Software is also supplied on the memory sticks, and at the bottom here We even supply you with 25 litres of deionised water. So when you buy from Red Dragon, there is nothing else you need to buy. Everything is included with the delivery, with the installation and with the training. Thank you very much.